Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. Today's topic is very important and interesting, which is characteristics of metals and non-metals. My dear students, you already know that metals and non-metals are opposite in nature. But now we will compare them side by side and see how they are different in terms of physical and chemical properties. So let's start. Now, physical characteristics of metal. The first one is appearance. Metal as shiny means metallic luster. And the second one, state. Metal as solid at room temperature except mercury, Ag. And the third one is malleability and ductility. Metal can be hammered into sheets and drawn into wax. And the fourth one is conductivity. It have good conductors of heat and electricity, mean due to free electrons. And the fifth one is sound. Metal produce ringing sounds in sonorous. And the sixth one is strength. Metal have strong and hard except sodium, potassium, which are soft. And the seventh one is density and melting point. Produced in metals have usually a high melting point and density except alkali metals like sodium and potassium. Now, physical characteristics of non-metals. Appearance, non-metals have dull, no metallic shine. And second one state, non-metals may be solid or liquid in bromines or gas like O2 and 2Cl2. And the third one is malleability and ductility. Non-metal or brittles in back easily when hammered. And the fourth one is conductivity. Non-metals are poor conductors in insulator except graphite. And the fifth one is sound, do not produce metallic sound. And the sixth one is strain, mean weak, not hard except diamond, which is very hard. And the seventh one is density and melting points generally low. Now, chemical characteristics of metals. First one, electropositivity. Restaurant metal loss electrons easily and form cation when positive ion. Examples: sodium gas, sodium ion. Mean sodium cation plus electron. Magnesium gas, magnesium 2 positive plus 2 electron. And the second one is oxide formation. Metals form basic oxides. Example: 2Na plus O2 gas Na2O. 2Mg plus O2 gas 2MgO. And the third one is reaction with acids. Metals react with acids to form salt plus hydrogen gas. Example: zinc plus 2HCl gas, ZnCl2 plus H2. And the fourth one is reaction with water. Some metals react with water to produce hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Example: 2Na plus 2H2O gas 2NOH plus H2. Now, chemical characteristics of nonmetals. The first one is electronegativity. Nonmetals gain electrons and form anions, mean negative ions. Example: Cl plus electron gas Cl negative, O plus 2 electron gas L 2 negative. And the second one is oxide formation. Nonmetals form acidic oxides. Example: C plus O2 dash gal CO2, S plus O2 gas SO2. And the third one is reactions with acids. Generally, non-metals do not react with acids. And the fourth one is reaction with water. Non-metals usually do not react directly with water. In exceptions like chlorine dissolves to form acidic solution. Example, Cl2 plus H2O give HCl plus HClO. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on the characteristics of metals and non-metals. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you on next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.